and you can't post this.
Mami.
Yeah. So we did use Walmart art. So I told them, like, well, how do we do this? Because we have, this road path. Right. Monday, I'm not looking to remember. Well, we have to go back to right. So, we watch, and so we walk over. So we walk over, and Eric's like, so, like, if we had been escalator, you know, like, we're going to, well, there's a bank up there. Is it there? No. We just pushed the button, and we went in the elevator, and we were in. And so, we didn't get a stamp, but I'm so guilty like I was cheating, because I had a thing available. It's like I had a stamp ready, but, you know. So it was funny because, I mean, there's like people, I mean, I guess if nobody had been there and she wasn't distracted, she would have seen us. But like we just pushed the elevator and up we went and like never again did they, I mean, and it was not like that. Right. But that place is funny because, I mean, there were some, you know, of the, you know, malaise and all those kinds of things. But then some of the stuff that was in there, like we'll be in this room and there's just like this thing and it's just red. It's like, okay, well, I think or it's like, it looks like it's just white, like it's not even painted at all, you know? Or it's, of course, all
this huge canvas and just
or there's the splatter ones, of course, but then there's some that are just like, you know, green and blue, or something, and then, I swear, I don't know why, but I just cannot forget this one. There's this TV screen, and it's like black and white, and there's an ironing board, and there's a fat man laying on it, and someone's just ironing him, like, and it's like this black and white
he's wearing clothes and
it's like a black and white movie. And they're ironing. And it's like
and it's like this old TV, like
from
black
50s.
and white.
Yeah. And there's just kind of a lot of those kinds of things where you're like, but anyways, we had a little time, so we did that. And we walked a lot. We saw a lot of different areas.
Rockefeller Center. And we never walked down Fifth Avenue with all the
I did it when we were
That's all the
big shops. No, I definitely walked down that when I had walked down, after I did the view, I kind of got myself lost a little bit, and, I mean, I can always use my phone, but my phone was I just got a brand new phone, but it was super old and dead, and so I was really and, so I was like, well, I was, lunchtime anyway, so I'm like, I'm gonna find this I actually found this place, I went in, and then I'm like, you know, I'm gonna drink at, Plain Church and somewhere, and so I ended up like eating there too, and it was so good. And later I looked at, because I was just like trying to find a place to drink, and I was on nothing, and I wasn't quite sure where I was. And so I charged my phone, and then I googled the restaurant, and it was like a 4.8. It was so good. They had these little slider burgers that were like so good. But then I figured out where I was, but that's when I walked with that one to come back to the but no, there's, you know what, I don't want but anyways, yeah, so we've done a lot of really fun things. We have been busy. But you know what, Cabo will be fun because I got these things I didn't tell you this, but you know, so when we go with Stephen and Marie, they take one and we take one and we buy it that have like these floaties, that you can fold all up and all that. You know what? Because it's a pool, it's not the ocean way, and so what I just bought because it was dirt cheap because it was not a pool, I bought them on Amazon today. They come in I bought before. It's like, you blow up the part, I think it's like it's not a new one. Yeah, you can use it as a floaty this way. You can make it into a chair, or you can make it a hammock. It's like it's got two straight things. So there's a net in between, and it's like, the rest is mesh, so it's like a hammock. Or you can connect the two, and you sit in it like a chair. Or you can use it just to float and pick your feet. So it's kind of nice because that's a good thing for like a pool. You're not like, it's not bulky. Right. So it's easy to move. Exactly. So, right. Exactly. even these chairs that we take, I mean, they use them in the ocean, and it's like, when you put it in the pool, you're gonna be taking them off. But yeah.
What if it's but there's a pool at the very, very top. Go there early on. Go there at the very, very start.
Okay. It'll get crowded.
Starts off. No, it's just a
Oh,
pool.
okay.
It's like you're at the very, very top.
Oh, see,
And you'll be looking at everything.
Yeah.
And it's got a bar there.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. No, it'll be like, and I mean, it'll be fun for us because, I mean, even though we would like a swimmable ocean, like this is a part we've never been in. So it's like, that's fun, and they like to go to the ocean, we can take stuff down. In fact, you know, they said we could go over to the river and give us some food. Yeah, we'll go over there and you can hang out if you want, so it's fun. We'll, you know.
The thing is, Cabo, there's, you know, like, what do you do?
Yeah. Cabo doesn't have as much as, like, we've taken the base of Puerto Vallarta, and,
Not better.
you know what? So here's the difference in Puerto Cabo was created for tourism. It was built for tourism. And it's more desert. It's like a desert landscape. Whereas Puerto Vallarta is more jungle rainforest. So,
But, and then, remember when we were in Cozumel,
no, but I'm talking about Puerto Vallarta.
I know you are.
Okay.
But when I'm talking about Cozumel, when we flew into Cancun and we were talking about, they're like, we did these cenotes. It's these underground caves, and they're full of water, and you swim through them. And we would take the one, and you know, like you could have a whole day doing that stuff. Whereas in
We do a
Cabo,
lot of that.
and Puerto Vallarta, there's tons of stuff to do there.
Well,
too.
and I compare Cabo and Puerto Vallarta because they're both close to Baja. So Puerto Vallarta we've been to, and we took the kids, and the thing about that is, we stayed at this one place, we like this one area, not that we stay there very often, but it's like, I mean, the water is like Cabo, it's not like Caribbean water or anything, but they had like, there were fishermen right there, and they would take you out, and you fish food, and you pay the $50 and you're out there, and they have these boat tours. You can, but this is more like you can see the river, you know, and you're just out by the rock, and then they have these like day tours, which is on where you're on the catamaran, and then you go out, and then they take you to this one. Is it whale season? No, whale season is more like March. But we went like in Puerto Vallarta, it was like a day trip on the catamaran, and they took you to this island, and they have you know the barbecue, and there's like hammocks, and there's like jumpy swim things out in the ocean, you know, like more activities, and then they take you to this other town, and you walk to the waterfall, and all. And so they don't really have those because it's more deserty,
Right.
Cabo.
Right.
But our kind of picture because this was actually, I mean, it wasn't truly a campaign, but the first we did 5 years ago, and 5 years ago, the last one we did I would go back, you know, exactly. But the first 5 days,
Where is it?
New York.
This
This is the Macy's show, so Macy's show's always in New York.
yeah, and it makes it, you know.
Jimmy,
So you know we did just
Okay.
why is
I've been there 3 times. I've been there on a business
we went there recently with somewhat recently with our kids, maybe 5 years ago, 6 years ago. So we had gone the last when our honeymoon we went to Costa Rica as well. So we went to Arnold, the volcano.
Okay.
And Monte Verde Cow Force is right there.
Right.
We went to that. Yeah. And then over to Manuel Antonio Beach and after like Canada with some of those beach towns on the we did not. So ours was more like we came in and we did the middle and then as soon as they drove to Arnold, which is and then over to Manuel Antonio, which is lower than that, right? And those are we haven't done where though? Okay, so that was where we also did those other places like where that was Costa Rica or on like the Montezuma and rented a car and everything. So in between, I think in between Arnold and Antonio, we went to this other place, which is called Montezuma. We stayed in this place.
So we had to take a trip. We had to press the car on the ferry and cruise south for 6 days.
And then we
On
had
the
to,
eastern side?
yeah. And then we had to park our car and then like a Hummer or some sort of like big SUV drove you, four-wheeled you to the actual hotel. And that was amazing. Yeah, and it was really like you couldn't park right there. And it was very jungly and that was really cool. I can't remember that place was called. But it was one of those ones I wrote about. Yeah, it was cool. And then remember we stayed in this other hotel and it was gorgeous and it had a beautiful pool and a beautiful ocean and like never was there. It was like 5 cars.
We had the whole
And I mean, it was beautiful. The room was really nice. The pools were just like spectacular and I'm like, I have no idea what it was. I don't know if it was, I don't know.
Isolated maybe.
Yeah, I was not like,
weird. But I mean,
I don't know.
like we had the
whole place to yourself.
yeah. In fact, we had dinner there and there was like one of those. That was interesting because it was a very beautiful place and I was like, oh, I don't know why I'm here. But yeah, so have you been to Costa Rica? Okay.
But we always go
Where-
in December.
Oh, okay, I remember that.
I
That's where
remember-
Annalisa.
I connected with Melissa years ago.
Yes, absolutely. We went out, I remember having lunch with her.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, yeah. No, see, we haven't ever
And
been
then
there.
her husband, the houseboat.
Yep.
Yeah, we went out and went home.
Are you guys should go out on the
Yeah,
boat?
but maybe we can just recommend you that, Cabinet go on. We didn't go on
This
this
is the
route.
fishing boat.
Yeah, and there's no Cabinet, but they must have recommended you.
Yeah.
Because that was the first time we went out on that campaign. Went to this smoking spot and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
We had lunch with her.
Yeah, I have friends who, Annalisa I know did that Albert Hammer and then Renee. My friend, I have a really good friend Renee and her, they have good friends and she, bought this place. And they didn't really go and stay at this place. And I mean, it sounds like a small town. It's like an 8-master suite place and a pool and staff and all that. It's these good friends of Renee and Dave and they would stay there and then all of a sudden it was going to be up for sale. And then they bought it. And I mean, it sounds spectacular. I mean, like, yeah, it sounds like a great place for lunch for like a family reunion or something like that. But
So they
anyway,
own it.
so now their friends own it. Yeah. The friends own it. They're going to go,
There's so many nice places.
It's beach.
Oh, I know. It's a great
beach
view.
view. Yeah. I know. Seriously, we go to Pop. Now we go to Pop all the time. When we're or out in Lisa. I go twice a week now. So, but it's like we were joking with our other person. When Eric goes to Cabo without, like, yeah, you have to stay.
My country. Right.
Because before, like, they would golf, and I mean, we were out in Lisa's new places, and the golf rounds were like $400 each, because it's so nice. And then, these restaurants that Al wants to go to every night, they're like $150, $100 plus drinks.
Did you ever go to Flora Farms with her?
No, we've never been. I've never
Have
been.
you heard of it?
Yeah.
It's like the place that I went with Lisa. We didn't go to Flora Farms, but we went to one that's, there's like 3 kind of in the same neighborhood, like the same. So the last time I did it, the girls went, there was 4 of us, and I can't remember the name, but it was like Flora Farms, and we did like a cooking class, and lunch,
It's
and
busy.
all that stuff.
Anywhere else in the world, I don't really but because it's Flora Farms, they're like, all right, because we have our own neighbors, and we have a place.
Okay, in that area.
So it's really cool.
Back
It's really
in
neat. They make it all out.
time for
And the food is absolutely delicious, but it's all fresh. And the drinks are ridiculous. Like, people just think like, what is in this thing? This is the best thing I've ever had.
They got everything
But
else
it's like
on,
$20
yeah.
drink.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I did a cooking class, which but it was right there, like it was
Still, you know,
this is like, oh, we had a cat take us there and we were just on all this road.
Yes.
It's like, yeah.
No,
Cool. Nice pool. But, and the houses are, you know, inside, they're decorated really nicely. And the colors are all super soft. And it's a really good feel.
Right.
And, you know, the maids love that, right? Everybody wants to eat dinner. And, lots of extravagant things, and the place itself is A-plus.
Right. Right. Yeah. It was very deserty, like when we were out to get to the yeah.
Now they sold chronic, I think.
But that one's, that's the most popular. And then of course the one I went to, and the other one that I went to, I was just like, well, let's go to it. Let's go to the contract. And so now there's like three of them. Yeah, I don't remember which one it was.
Hopefully your students, you guys get started on your echo adventure and your awakening adventure.
Yeah, I gotta get through the wedding weekend. It will be fun. It's super fun. Yes, I'm glad. And we, hopefully turn the lights on. Yeah. Shane and Joe, say goodbye to Jane.
Goodbye, Jane.
Joe,
Happy birthday, Joe.
what do you say? Thank you.
Have fun in Cabo.
What do you say? What do you want to say?
Jake,
Yes.
what do you have in for breakfast?
What do you
I
have for
don't
breakfast?
know. Yogurt.
Okay.
I love yogurt.
Okay.
What kind? Lemon. Lemon
Yeah.
yogurt.
Focus it. What do you have in for breakfast? Which focus it?
What did she have today?
Oh, today. I didn't have breakfast today.
Which focus it?
Coffee.
Rick's gone.
Rick, he's
He's
gone.
coming back tomorrow,
What do you
right?
have for breakfast for Rick?
What did
Tomorrow?
he? Or what did he have today? Or did he leave today?
For breakfast with Rick.
I don't know what he has for breakfast.
What time did he leave today?
He left yesterday.
Oh,
He
yeah.
got
yesterday.
Nancy. He goes, I'm getting Nancy. I'm just gonna go. He's
Yeah.
like 4:30. He goes, I'm just gonna go. He was home by like 8.
That's nice.
3.5 hours. And he stopped for dinner.
Wow, that's really
It
good.
was really good.
Where did he eat dinner?
Sometimes we got a burrito. I'm guessing Auburn.
Sometimes it's quick and sometimes it's not quick.
No, I know.
I know. Okay, well thanks for coming over. It was fun visiting. I know, and we will hopefully we'll see you during your family reunion. Okay?
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Bye. Bye, Jane.
Okay. Bye. Walk around in case there's a bear there. Yeah, where is Riley? Oh, he's right here. Oh, tell Jane I'm gonna bring her the bowl. No, right now. Right now.
Okay.
Hey, this can be part of your lunch tomorrow. Thank you.
Let me. Go, come on.
Yeah, I think you should. You should wear it.
So Robin Murray went home.
No, Mary went home for a day. She's coming back
Chocolate.
So I saw Rob today, and I was like, hey, you want to go out for dinner? And
Chocolate.
he's like,
Mom.
yeah,
Chocolate. Chocolate. Mom. Chocolate.
So I had said, hey, do you want to come over for dinner? He's like, no, I'm going to
It's a shame.
Yeah, I almost don't want to get.
Mommy and Daddy would have watched the video. Joe. Where's my,
Hmm. Hmm.
So, honey, you still haven't told me anything about tomorrow.